Addicted like Hennessy, addicted like weed, addicted like music, attracted to me. Addicted like Hennessy, addicted like weed, addicted like music. Come wind up by me.
Y'all, I'm so sick right now. Like, I can't even tell you the last time. Ew, I sound so annoying. My voice is so annoying, but I can't even tell you the last time I picked up my vlog camera because your girl has been sick. And originally when I first started to feel sick, I still forced myself to go outside, and that wasn't a smart idea. So that just made me feel even worse, and now I'm feeling even worse. I mean, I feel better than last night, but this morning when I woke up I was feeling kind of like crappy, but right now I feel like okay. It's just more like my throat and my nose, and I'm like sneezing like crazy, which is annoying. And I'm just so cold. I don't know why. I took some neocitrin. Didn't really take any pills because I just don't want to take any pills. But by the time you guys see this vlog, well, I guess I could tell you guys a surprise now. So the big surprise that I've been holding out on is that, should I tell you guys or should I wait? You know what? I'm gonna wait. You guys will see it in the next clip. I gotta wait. I'm gonna leave it until the next clip and then you guys will see it. But just here studying for a test I have. Today's our last day of class until the 3rd, or until sometime in January. But yeah, so I have an anatomy test today. Oh, gosh, I'm so annoyed with that. I just can't wait to be over and done with this class. And I'm currently here cleaning up my room and doing some laundry, trying to change my bed sheet because I've been so sick and like congested. I just feel like I need to clean up my room and just spray it with Lysol and all that stuff because germs is everywhere. But yeah, that is about it. I remember the other day I started vlogging, but I had to stop because I was getting bad headaches. And I end up in that vlog, you're probably just gonna see like a first clip of me filming how I was feeling, but I end up stopped filming because throughout the day I wasn't feeling too good, and I end up calling my surgeon, and he told me to keep track of my headaches because he said right now it sounds like a regular headache, and he asked me if I had certain symptoms and I didn't have it. So right now I'm supposed to be keeping track of the symptoms that I'm having or like the headaches that I'm getting, and then we'll go from there. So I don't know, man. My headache's just been really crazy. I feel like it's because of the cold. I don't know if that's what it is, but that's what I feel like it is. Because every time as soon as I step outside and the cold, like I inhale the cold, it just burns and I just feel it. Like I just feel it in my head, in my, like, I get nasal congested, and then now I'm sick on top of it. But that's my fault why I'm sick because I went outside with my chest, like my chest open. I had a shirt on and my chest was like open, and you know, you're not supposed to do that. Not only that, a lot of people I've been around is sick. People in my school are sick. People in my house are sick. So I was bound to catch it, I guess. But it's been a while since I've actually had a cold, and I hate being sick. Like being sick right now just reminded me of how much I hate being sick. Like I just hate being sick. It's just so annoying. In the night I can't sleep. I gotta be like sticking tissues up my nose because my nose is like leaking if I lay on the side. Like, so annoyed. But I'm gonna go finish studying because I have a test in about 3 hours. So I'm just going over stuff. I'm not really cramming. I'm just kind of like going through stuff that I had written on the side that I need to go over. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm gonna go make some neocitrin tea because I had ginger tea this morning. So I'm gonna make some neocitrin. It's kind of like a lemon tea. It doesn't taste the best, but it doesn't taste the worst. I just don't like the taste because it tastes like you're drinking hot lemon water. Yeah, hot lemon water. Yeah. So I'm gonna go make some of that and finish studying. So I'll tune back in later. And meanwhile, I'm gonna think if I should tell you guys the surprise or not. I didn't plan this out properly. Or should I leave it for the next vlog? I don't know. I'm gonna go think it out because I didn't think this out properly. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So yeah, I just got home from school. My tests seem like it went okay. I'm hoping it went okay. I just feel like ish. I don't feel too good. I inhaled the cold and like I'm just feeling it, man. Like I don't feel good at all. My nose won't stop running, and I just feel like shit. I'm here about to do some quizzes that I have due tomorrow at 11:30, so I'm just gonna go do that right now and probably make some more tea again. I have like no appetite to eat anything. 7 o'clock, I have no appetite. My dad's cooking something. I don't even know what he's cooking. I think he's making pork or beef, one of them, but yeah, I'm just gonna go finish do my quizzes, and yeah. My chair. So y'all, I've been sick. Zero appetite, can barely eat. My dad made some jerk chicken tonight, and I'm about to have that with some rice and peas, some veg, some avocado. There's my chicken. Yums. About to grub on this. My first meal since the past couple of days, because I haven't really been eating. I've been so sick. So that is what I'm here doing. Who's this coming down the stairs? Oh, hi, Daddy.
That's what I'm saying. They didn't eat a thing.
I'm eating it.
This.
The avocado, so I'm eating right now.
I had like a whole bunch of them there, and I'm like,
Remember, I've been sick, you know, so I didn't really have an appetite.
you didn't have an attitude.
Whoa, Daddy, it's spicy.
You should deliver it from here.
Oh, it's like from the back. The back one's spicy?
Yeah.
It doesn't taste, I mean, I don't mind it, but.
So for barbecue sauce, barbecue jerky, you put that thing on.
So, I told you guys that I had a surprise. But the surprise is not going to work out how I wanted it to work out. I was supposed to leave to go to Jamaica Friday, but now my flight got changed to Saturday. So, there's my surprise. I'm going to Jamaica. Since y'all been asking if I was going, there's a surprise. I don't know when you guys are going to see this vlog, but that's a big surprise. It's good. Okay, let me go eat and then I'll come back and talk to y'all. Fill y'all in. Ziggy. Are you mad? Or how do you feel that I'm not coming tomorrow now?
Yo, McCall,
So y'all, I was trying to surprise Ziggy by flying in tomorrow, but I told him I was landing Saturday, but that was a fail. It didn't work out how I wanted it to work out. So now he knows that I'm coming Saturday. And his mom knew, my mom knew, and Camille, his sister, knew. And he didn't know. And like his mom would ask him to do stuff, but he wasn't even catching on. Yo, that's so funny. And you told your mom that I'm paying her back for the turkey neck?
Yeah.
Anyways, y'all, this vlog about to be all over the place, but you know, it's okay. Your girl was sick. I'm feeling a little better. Just my nose is bothering my throat, but that's okay. See y'all tomorrow. Gonna go finish up this paper. I think I have one more page to write, and I'm tired. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. In Canada, not Jamaica. I was supposed to be in Jamaica. I'm so mad, but everything in life happens for a reason, so it's okay. Good night. Good morning, guys. I'm so excited right now because I'm gonna see Ziggy Bear. Surprise! Well, I guess you guys would already know that, so it's not really a surprise anymore. But I'm here getting ready and packing. Well, I'm not really packing. I'm just like organizing my bag and stuff like that. So I'm about to head to the airport any minute now. So I'll tune in with y'all when I'm at the airport. So y'all, I'm at the airport waiting to board my flight. Outside it's snowing and I'm so scared because this lady is watching me talk to my camera. So she's looking at me smiling. But anyways, so I don't want to hear your flight is delayed because it is snowing. Let me show y'all. Can't see the snow falling, but oh, there you can, right there. Snowing. And on top of that, I am so hungry, but I board just now, so it's like I can't even order food. I gotta wait. But big up Polly, because Polly is making some turkey neck for me. I'm so excited, I can't wait to touch down. But I know some y'all are probably gonna kill me and be like, girl, why can't you just tell us that you were going? But I don't like to say ahead of time. And honestly, this was like last minute for me. But yeah, I'm just excited to see Ziggy. Can't wait to see him in a little break. I have test to study for while I'm down there, but it's like the whole strike completely threw off everything. So we start back school early, so I gotta be studying because as soon as I go back, I'll be doing a test. I am going to see if I can get something to munch on while I'm just sitting here. I think I have like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Let's see if I can get like fruits or something to munch on. It's freezing in here. Like when I say it's so cold, I'm so draped up. Yeah, it's so cold in here. Like I'm freezing. My hands are so cold. My feet are cold. That's why usually when I'm traveling, I always wear like sweatpants. At least I can wear tights underneath, even though as soon as you land in Jamaica, it's hot. But I hate being cold. My nose is running, plus I'm a little sick still. So I'm just hoping I don't get sick due to what I have on. But I think it's focusing. But yeah, I'll tune back in a bit. I guess the next clip I will either be on the plane. Yes, I'll be on the plane, and then I'll be in Jamaica. Just boarded my plane, sitting, hands are still freezing, but I'm waiting for the snow was even coming down harder. God, please let the flight don't be delayed. But I'm just waiting for everyone to like load on and then get ready, and then we're gonna fly out. I can't wait to experience some heat. Cannot wait. I literally have like this whole section to myself, even a little footrest. But I'm gonna settle in and start like putting my luggage up top and everything. So next time I see y'all, I'll be in Jamaica. We'll be there. So why am I holding the camera lean like this? Next time I'll see.
Spend a little more.
Chill out, big up my son. Ah! Bare teeth. I'm finally in Jamaica with this guy. Even though he looks so scruffy, can't even see you. What? Finally. I love it. You should. I think you should.
It's going to get thick like. No, me no want.
Tracy's one was didn't expect. Just as thick now, you know.
Me no want. You ever see Rasta like here, them paste down by one.
That's real nasty, yo.
The Rasta.
Anyways, we about to get some food because your girl is hungry. I was sick on the plane, literally sneezing, coughing, runny nose, all that ish. But I had a good flight. I can actually say that I had a good flight. I just didn't eat anything. And they had like chicken and lasagna, but I couldn't eat because I was so sick. I had a cup of tea and Rio Citron. Anyways, we about to get some food. And yeah, I'm hot. Tune back in and show you guys what's going on. Christmas in Jamaica. Say surprise.
Surprise.
Surprise. This is a surprise, guys. Yes, Shella. Biggest Shella. The light is so dark. It's so dark in here, but I'm finally home. So don't mind Ziggy's messy room. Bro, the mosquitoes are crazy. As soon as I got in, I gotta grab my sweater because it's so cold, and this one's lighting a destroyer for me.
I always have to do that.
Can't with the mosquitoes, it's killing me.
Girl, the camera should be on me. This face should not be in the house every time.
Mosquitoes are deadly.
Can I do this way?
So I think we're supposed to be going to Grand Market tonight because Grand Market's tonight instead of tomorrow because tomorrow's Sunday. They don't celebrate holidays on Sunday. Well, that smells strong. But I'm feeling sick. My throat feels funny and I'm cold. I'm in a long sleeve already and I gotta go drag this guy's sweater to the Super Lamb.
I can sell these.
So, you're gonna sell them?
Yes. Too much sweet is not good for me. This face cannot hide, you know.
Anyways, I'm gonna go finish settling in and figure out my life.
1 second. I just recognize I can't see.
This one is all about self-worth.
This guy's knocked out right now. 5:30 in the morning.
Did you do
Ziggy.
this? Me? No.
Ziggy.
Why would I do that to anyone? You're so big and powerful, and I'm so small and dainty. In the broom closet, right?
Ziggy.
Okay, no more answer. This time we'll really
Wake up.
get little Miss Smiley and
Oh, yeah.
We just came from Grand Market. This guy's knocked out. I'm drinking water and eating chips. I'm low-key hungry.
Thanks, Zelda. Hey, what are those for?
Grand Market's still going on. I don't know if you guys can hear the music. My voice is gone because outside it's cold. And this guy decided to drive with the window down.
The eagle.
And he's low-key getting sick. Ziggy, do you feel better?
Yeah.
You still feel sick?
That's your stuff up.
So you gonna share a blanket with me or no?
Keep going. Yeah.
Good night. Anyways, good night, guys. He's being a bum.
Still trying to get the meat sauce.